Hey, this is Mike with brandtheboss.com, and in today's video I'm going to be going over my top 5 work from home businesses for 2019. And if this is your first time on this channel, here at Brand the Boss, we like to talk about all things making money online and transitioning you from a beginner to a boss in your online business. So at any point, if you find this content valuable, please hit the like button. And let's go ahead and get started with this. So, number 5 is virtual assistant. Now, what a VA does is help entrepreneurs maintain organization by doing certain tasks. So some of these tasks can be social media posting, responding to emails, or content uploads. And that could be a blog post, or that could be uploading videos to YouTube. It could be a whole range of tasks that the business owner might need to have done. And the reason why business owners hire virtual assistants is because sometimes they would just rather contract out the work to somebody else while they focus on the more important tasks in their business, usually the income producing ones. So as a VA, if this is something that's up your alley, what you can do is go and create a profile at upwork.com where you can list out your expertise and the different things that you can do as a VA. If you have no idea, then you can just look at other VAs that are on Upwork as well and see the type of things that they do. And so you can model your profile to others. What Upwork is a place for entrepreneurs and business owners to hire virtual assistants and other freelancers. So that is a good place that I will start if being a virtual assistant is something that you're interested in doing. So the next one is becoming a freelancer, which is very similar to VA, but more independent. So a freelancer is an expert in a specialized field that performs services. So think about something like Fiverr.com. If you've ever been to Fiverr.com, you'll see that there are people on there that do content writing, graphic design, video editing, a whole host of things. And all it really is that they are specialized in something unique, and there are people out there that are willing to pay them for their services. So a business owner might need you to do content writing if that's your thing, or do graphic design for their social media, or maybe do their video editing because they don't have the software to edit their video. And so maybe that might be something you're specialized in. There's a whole list of things that freelancers can do, and it's an awesome way to make money online. So if that's what you're interested in doing, I will go ahead and check out Fiverr to begin with. Then go to upwork.com or freelancer.com and create a profile there. So number 3 would be the social media ads manager. And what a social media ads manager does is they're experts in running social media advertising campaigns. So these would be things for like local business owners and online entrepreneurs. I got video editor, that's not supposed to be there. But local business owners and other online entrepreneurs are people that would hire social media ads managers to run their social media advertisement campaigns, because guess what? These people are experts in their businesses. So they might not have any clue on how to drive leads and customers to their websites or to their businesses using social media. So if this is something that you're an expert in, then you can definitely capitalize on this, because this is a big need. More and more businesses are seeking outside counsel for these types of things. And you can come on in and make a lot of money. And one of the best things with being an ads manager is you can have multiple clients on retainer at the same time. So you can make a lot of money if you are a pro in doing Facebook advertisement or Instagram or YouTube advertisement as well. So I would definitely check this out if running advertising campaigns is your thing. So next, the second one we have is e-commerce. This is where you sell products online through websites or platforms. So think of listing items on Amazon or eBay, doing drop shipping, which is basically selling products that you don't have inventory of, but you have a connection or a deal with a supplier in maybe China or India, and they will ship the product to your customer when they buy it. So therefore you don't have to handle the product or the inventory. Or you can go ahead and start up a Shopify store in association with that and list your products on there as well. Now, e-commerce is a very popular thing, especially with more and more brick and mortar stores going away. More people are just finding it more convenient to shop online, and you can come in and get a piece of the profit as well. The only drawback to e-commerce is it's such a competitive market that you have to spend more of your capital in advertisement versus actual product or inventory, because you will be competing with more people out there in e-commerce. But if you have the capital to put into advertisement, then you should do very well in e-commerce. And this is an awesome model for a online business. So last but not least, we have right here is affiliate marketing. Now, this is my absolute favorite online business model because, well, let me tell you what affiliate marketing is, all right? First off, you promote products and earn commissions on the sales of other products. Now, why I love it so much is there's no overhead costs, there's no need to own products, and it's free to start. So essentially, all you're doing is you're going to link up with a company that has an affiliate program. Say, for example, Amazon. Amazon Associates is Amazon's affiliate program. You sign up with them, and then they give you affiliate links for the different products. They give you your own affiliate link. This is a link that's unique to you. So this is what you would use to have your leads or customers click when you're promoting your products, so that you get the commission for the sales. And like I said, there's no cost, no overheads, no need to own any products. You can start this right now. And that's why I love affiliate marketing. I have been doing it now for 7 months, and I consistently am making commissions every month, and they're getting bigger and bigger. And I love this business model because it's so easy to understand and get into. Now, if building an online business is your thing, then I invite you to click the link in the description or go to the website that you see on the screen and check out the same training system that showed me how to start my own online business. Now, this is only if you are trying to build an online business for yourself. Now, if you found this video valuable, please hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified of any videos that I drop. And if you have any comments or anything that you would like to add to my top 5, just leave them below. And I am Mike Garvey with brandtheboss.com, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.